Regarding the First Step Act, the Federal Bureau of Prisons has still been unsuccessful in its efforts in the auto calculation of earned time credits. Welcome to my video series, Indicted and Facing Prison Now What? My name is Mark Gladstein, and I understand firsthand how surreal and overwhelming this experience can be. In 2006, I too was convicted of a felony, and in 2010, I was grateful to have my medical license reinstated. That's why I'm here today, to provide you with the crucial information every day so you can navigate these challenging times, because with knowledge and preparation comes confidence as you approach your pre-sentence interview. The Department of Justice and FBI has been asking questions, and if it's come to your attention, then their case against you is mostly complete. They have a 98% conviction rate, and the odds are not in your favor that you'll escape from prison scot-free. You can elect to go to trial, but there's two caveats. You do not want to anger the court, because you have to come back to the court at some point to get sentenced. And 0.2% approximately win or prevail a trial. Having knowledge is power, and that's what I'm trying to do as I put it in your hands. Delaying this next step could have severe consequences. Your future is at stake. I've already been there, and it's not pretty. This is why it's critical to hire a legal team that has a proven track record of successfully defending cases like yours. You just don't want to settle for experience. You want a team that's a good fit for you, that will allow you to have the best possible outcome. Making the correct choices today can allow you to move forward with confidence tomorrow. Should you have questions, please don't hesitate to call and consider engaging my service at 240-888-7778. This is your future and your life. This is a short video. The First Step Act was passed in 2018, and Congress gave the Federal Bureau of Prisons 5 years to get it up and running. As of 2023, and this is 2024, it's still not up and running. There are staffing shortages, waiting lists, and with some programs shuttered. So how it's supposed to work, and this has not been implemented across the system, is that after the first, in other words, you come into prison and you have your assessment, your pattern score, and it's going to calculate whether you are a minimum or low risk, or a medium or high risk. And quite frankly, you can do this before you arrive in prison with your judge, with your attorney, because you will have all that information available to you at that time. So when you first get into prison, your first assessment is then, as soon as you meet with your case manager. Then what's supposed to happen is that you're able to take your First Step Act credits or courses, earning earned time credits at approximately 10 credits per month. Then at your second assessment, which is at 6 months later, you then, without having any infractions or not getting in any trouble, you then can transition from 10 earned time credits per month to 15 earned time credits per month. This is where I guess we begin to discuss frustration and disappointment, because when you're entering prison, you're going to have it every day. And so it depends on where you are and the warden, if you will, and nobody has a crystal ball as to when it's going to be uniformly that they're going to grant you to move from 10 earned time credits per month to 15. Some of the documents that I've read from the Bureau of Prisons says that they're going to not let you move the 15 earned time credits until you're through your first year. Well, I mean, we can get upset, but unfortunately, the Bureau of Prisons, as you'll learn, is their own planet. They govern themselves. And so we can only work with what we have, making the best of it. And so part of the earned time credit is for you to be able to demonstrate to your case managers that you are changing your ways, you're working towards increasing your personal development and growth. And in addition to First Step Act classes, you can begin to document on some sort of journal or some way, a logbook or daily record of everything that you do. You'll have a job, don't pay someone else to do your job. You want to begin to write down everything you feel that you're learning from these classes, and don't roll your eyes when they give you a class to take that says balancing your checkbook, because most of you probably know how to balance your checkbook. And some of you will probably be the most smartest person in the room, but don't show that to your case manager. Just thank them. There have education classes that you can take and participate in. There's vocational classes, and maybe you'll get people sending in the family and relatives and friends to send you pre-scheduled books from Amazon that are on topics where you have an interest, be it history, the arts, science, medicine, whatever that may be, and start documenting what you find or writing what you find could be helpful later in life every day into this journal or logbook that you'll keep. And then you can provide copies of just the updates from what you're at your constructive activity to your case manager at every meeting. Eventually, they'll get the hint that you're making changes in your life. And this can all become part of your release plan. That is a file kept by your case managers, but only if you intentionally provide them with the information. To engage my services, or if you have concerns, you want your concerns answered, give me a call today. My phone, again, is 240-888-7778. This is my personal cell, and I answer and return all calls. You can also get additional information from my website at PPRSUS.com. That's P as in Paul, P as in Paul, R as in Robert, S as in Sam, US.com. Thank you for taking the time to listen today, and have a good day.